For installing Tailwind in React, you have to just type Tailwind React wheat or white, whatever you are pronouncing, and just enter, and you will get a first link here, installing Tailwind CSS with wheat. Just click on it. That's it. This is one thing which you have to do for it. Very easy, very quick. Just take the cursor down and you will see all the commands over there for making Tailwind to install in your React application. As you are making a React application, you have to make it like this: npm create. We had many times we have created that like this. So npm create wheat @latest, or you can put the version for it and then cd to your project. Okay, this is very easy for you people to go with. You have already worked with that, I assume. If not, just let me know in the comment, then I'll make sure that you have to just type this command as it is. So just take the cursor here, and if you don't have this type of structure, just make it like this. So if I close this package.json, so you have to just type that command npm. Okay, you're able to see the screen. So I just take the cursor little up. So I think something is wrong. Okay, I have just entered. Okay, so npm, then you will say create wheat and latest is the latest version, and then you give the name of your project. In my case, I have already given the name for the project and I have created it earlier. You just put it like this, code, and enter. Then you will see automatically it will give you some options. You must have done that, and it will give you the project structure of the React. So I don't want to waste the time on that, because today's concern is how we can install Tailwind in React application. So next thing what you have to do, you have to just take the cursor to your web page and just take the second step. Just copy the command npm, or you can type it npm install tailwind @tailwind/wheat. Just copy it from this. Okay, just copy it, or if you want to type it, you can just type it. Just take the cursor and just say enter, and it will start installing. If I enter it, in my case it is already installed. If I enter here and if I say install it, so it will take some time and it will reload with the packages, and if it is already installed in my system, it will show up to date. In your case it will be some other message, but in my case I have already installed. That's the reason it says like this. But yes, this will be like that. 36 packages are looking for the funding. So just click on the package.json and just check it out whether your dependency is now there or not. Just take the cursor, dependency. Earlier you will not see this, so now you will see the 4.1 latest version is this, and you are able to see that it has installed Tailwind in your React wala application. Now it is not that you have to just go with like we are installing React DOM, or we are installing React router ROM. So we have to follow some more steps here. So just close it. Dependency is clear. Okay, very good. Now what you have to do, you have to go for the another step here. Just take the cursor back, and it says you need to copy this import wala statement, import Tailwind CSS from @tailwind this. You just copy it from this, and second thing, you have to change this wala function in your config file. So where is our config file? Just take the cursor back and you just click on this wheat.config and just paste the things which are there. So if I just go with the thing which want to paste, and just paste the function here, but you have to paste the function inside this bracket. So just in my case I am just doing it like this. Just delete the comma, and that's it. These are the two things which you have to change in your wheat.config.js. I think it is clear now. Next thing what you have to go with, the third thing, you have to click on the index.css, which is the CSS for our application. Just delete the everything from this. Just put a Control A and delete. And what you have to do, you have to make sure that there will be, okay, I just delete everything here. Control A, delete it. And what you will do, you just take the cursor here again to the CSS wala tailwindcss.com, and what it says, you need to copy import Tailwind to your CSS file. Just copy it, or you can just type it. Just take the cursor back and Control V. That's the thing which you have to do. That's it. Close it, close this file. Okay, now click on the app.jsx, and in my case I have already, for not to waste the time, that's why I have put it like this. I'll show you again. Just delete everything from the app.jsx and just make a functional component here. Import React from React. That's it. Make a paragraph or a division what you want to. If I just make sure that one there is no division, I just delete this and I just go with the one particular paragraph here, and I just delete this one also for you people, and I'll show you how it is really working. So if I just delete everything from this position, what you were earlier doing, class name, you can do here class also. Class is equals to double quotes, and just check whether my CSS is working. For the first time application, sometimes it takes some time, so don't worry about. Reload the application and just see. So it's showing you the colors for this. See, automatically it is showing the suggestions, right? Okay, this is one thing which you have to remember. Now how can we check? We have to just click on the terminal npm, and what you will do, run and diff, and just enter and see whether my application is working properly or not. Just click on the particular web page where the application is. Just take the cursor little up and just refresh the screen. You're able to see the color of your, my first Tailwind CSS app is there, and it is showing the color, isn't it? If you want to change the color from any other thing, you can just maximize and minimize. I'll show you in the coming sessions how we are going to work with. So see, now if I'm changing a little bit color less, if I just want to go with the 900, so it will show you the dark color. Alt tab and just take the cursor and you will see the dark color is there, isn't it? So in this way you can just go with the other CSS elements of Tailwind. Now the question arises, sometimes the IntelliSense is not there. I'm not able to, for example, I want to go with the one background color of it. So what I do, I say BG color. What the BG color is amber, auto, it will be black, it will be blue. You can just go with the colors all. Just take the cursor here and just give the background color. Just alt tab and just see your refreshing screen. You are able to see the screen. See, it's giving, isn't it? So in this way it's very easy for us now we need not to write any file name or anything like CSS in the original old tradition CSS. Now we have to just go with on one single click. Now there is one more thing which you have to always remember. Sometimes the IntelliSense is not there. You must go with the many videos over there, and you will see, no, in my screen it is not showing the IntelliSense. In my screen, if I am typing something, it is not showing the suggestion part. So why it is not showing, even though I have followed all the steps of installation? So why? The reason behind is you have to click on the extensions and just search for the Tailwind CSS IntelliSense. If in your system it is not installed, just try to install it. Install it automatically, refresh or reload your Visual Studio Code, and then you will see the magic. It will automatically suggest you all the things related to the Tailwind CSS. Okay, so I think everything is clear now. We have installed, we have done all the setup related to the CSS which is in Tailwind. So now the Tailwind CSS is a framework which is very useful for other, you can say, modern React.js projects and other projects. So I think now it's clear for us how to install, how to set up. So that's it from my end for today's lecture. Hope you like this video. If you really like the video, please put a thumbs up, share with your friends so that everybody can go with this type of things, and subscribe my channel, and I'll meet you in the next chapter of programming. Till then, take care. Bye bye.